What's up, Internet? This is Tay with Snkrsden, and today we are taking a look at the Nike SB Dunk High Pro Strawberry Cough. StrangeLove designer Todd, Bratrud, and Nike brand team up for an all-new 420-inspired SB Dunk High Pro dubbed Strawberry Cough after a popular strain of marijuana. Releasing most likely around July 2020, this SB Dunk marks the 10th year anniversary of the release of the Nike SB Dunk High Skunk, inspired by another popular weed strain. The high-profile SB Dunk silhouette appears to be a mix of leather, suede, and velvet with an overall look of a strawberry. The perforated toe box shows off the magic Ember colorway. Meanwhile, the leather forefoot and quarter panel overlays come dipped in university red, freckled with yellow dots. However, the heel and collar take a different approach. Fuzzy light green suede coats the heel and the ankle stabilizer, as well as the large heel pull tab and quarter panel swoosh. While velvety spinach green comprises the collar and the heel counter. The translucent rubber cup sole, stitched with university red thread, shows how each color continues through to the base of the SB Dunk. The tongue, with university red Nike branding, starts off clean white, then slowly transitions into Ember magic as it hits the vamp and the matching toe box. Likewise, white hits the high-profile collar and continues into the liner. Todd's illustration of an anthropomorphic strawberry with bloodshot eyes coughing into its hand are printed along the Magic Ember Nike SB branded sole inserts. Additionally, the same strawberry is found on the lateral heel, coughing up visible smoke. Strawberry Cough is pre-laced in university red, but come with additional magic ember and spinach green laces, allowing wearers to mix and match how they see fit. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to stay safe, like and subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below, and follow us on all the social media platforms. Until next time.